Hello guys, so here I am again with a creative slash advanced makeup look. Anyways, I recreated this look from Paige Louise IGTV makeup tutorial. So let's begin. So right now you're looking at mixture of 50% zero rumor base and 50% of 03 rumor base. Using shade Intuition from Carnival palette, I'm applying it right into crease. And also you can see me building layers with this eyeshadow. I'm blending this eyeshadow with NYX Professional Makeup New Brush. This is Precise brush number 44. And right now, as you can see, I'm mostly focused on blending edges of this eyeshadow that I've applied on top of this base. Now you see me creating shape with the same eyeshadow that will be my guideline for this entire look. Now we're gonna take shade Whole and Slow Burn and mix them together, apply them above our previous eyeshadow. I'm using another Precise brush from NYX Professional and this is number 42. Blending our next custom eyeshadow color by going 50% on top of previous eyeshadow and 50% on top of our base. And at this point, I really did take my time to blend this eyeshadow really well. And I have no idea what am I laughing at right now. I'm taking some Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette. I'm taking this yellow color and applying that eyeshadow below our eyebrow. And at the end I decided to take shade Kano from Juvia's Place Warrior palette and bring it just a little bit between our darkest and lightest shade. Now it's fun part, it's time to cut a crease, and actually I did use my makeup remover for this and some makeup wipes. In her video, Paige suggested to use Vaseline for this part, and I'm actually looking forward to try it to see how that will work out. To make this crease really sharp, I'm using two things. I'm using brush from, and also the product are both from AC Ring collection. This is their brush, and then I'm using the best product I have ever tried for cut crease, and that is blank canvas. First, I thought it is base, but it's not. Actually, it's paint. The difference is that it will set within 60 seconds, and actually it will stay in place. It's a little bit harder to work with than with their actual eyeshadow bases. There are different formulas, but this is the best product ever for doing this step. What I haven't mentioned, this light blue liner that you can see is actually a mixture of nitro and blank canvas paint. I'm using same technique, same eyeshadows to blend them under this blue liner. Then using blank canvas, doing another cut crease. Yes, this is really sort of layered makeup style. And yes, if you really wanna make this look sharp and clean, it's gonna take some time and practice. It's really it's time consuming. Adding some small glitters in my inner corner of my lid. Placing some more eyeshadows on the outer part of my eye. Then I'm just applying eyeliner and I smudged it with some eyeshadow. Then I applied some black eyeliner and smudged everything with black eyeshadow. To make it look much more dramatic, I connected the liner with my lower lash line. That way I created a illusion of much more angled liner, because I didn't have more space on my lids to kind of do that. So that's the way I managed to do on my own eyes. And I also blended a little bit with the eyeshadow, the inner corner of that liner, put some false lashes, and there you go. Oh, and I also tried base as a concealer underneath my eyes, but I really do prefer to use that base as eyeshadow base and to use some of my regular concealers for that. So yeah, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully it brought some valuable information to you, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye!